Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to hide token on MetaMask wallet account. To hide token on MetaMask wallet account, first open your MetaMask application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your MetaMask account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. On the downside here you can see the tokens present on your MetaMask. Now here to hide the tokens, choose the token that you want to hide, then long press on the token for a while. With that, here you'll be given the option of hide. Tap on hide option. With that token will be hidden. As you can see here, my token tether has been hidden. You can continue this process for the tokens that you want to hide. You can also bring back the token by tapping on the option of import tokens. This is how we can hide a token on MetaMask wallet account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.